Hello everyone, I'm James. Now we are in Changsha city, the most vibrant city center in China. Let's see the immersive screens.
These giant LED screens surrounding the intersection are not only visual landmarks of the city, but have also become popular attractions for visitors and tourists. Their massive size, stunning image quality, and immersive naked-eye 3D visuals transform traditional advertising into a captivating experience that naturally draws attention and encourages people to stop, watch, and share.
This is the biggest outdoor LED display in Changsha city, and you see it now is the mid-noon time now. The brightness of this screen only 6,000 nits, but the display still looks great.
These outdoor LED screens typically feature a 6.67 pixel pitch, offering an excellent balance between image quality and installation cost. These screens are best experienced from around 15 to 50 meters away, where viewers can fully appreciate both the scale of the display and the clarity of the content. This makes them an ideal solution for public squares, commercial districts, and busy city intersections. To withstand challenging outdoor conditions, these LED screens are built with an IP65 protection rating, providing excellent resistance against rain, dust, and other environmental factors. In addition, brightness levels often exceed 6,000 nits, ensuring vibrant and highly visible content, even under direct sunlight. With these advantages, giant LED screens are becoming an increasingly popular choice for commercial projects worldwide. They have evolved into an important medium for urban advertising while creating significant commercial value. If you're planning a similar large-scale LED screen project, we have proven and reliable solutions to meet your needs. In particular, the impressive naked-eye 3D visual effects showcased in this video can be achieved with our EV960, MA960, and OF800 series, delivering stable and reliable display performance. Feel free to contact us anytime for professional project consultation and quotations. Thank you for watching.